Excellent.
Excellent, excellent.
Right.
All right. Another video.
Okay.
Woo.
Another show, another show. All right, you ready to do it, Garth?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so.
Wayne's World! Wayne's World! Party on! Excellent! All right. Excellent.
Excellent, excellent.
All right, excellent. All right, welcome to the show. So, Extreme Blossom! Extreme Blossom! All right. Excellent. Excellent.
Excellent.
So,
Yes.
so tonight we have a very special guest. Mr. Pixie Sticks, chill, chill, Pixie Sticks. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's all right, it's okay, okay, cool. The leprechaun! Cool. It's okay, it's okay, okay, cool, okay. Okay, tonight we've got a special episode. The top 5 all-time political babes.
Go babes.
Babelicious. All right. So,
Excellent.
Number 5 is Tipper Gore.
Tipper Gore.
Okay, I tip my hat to Tipper. All right. So, number 4, Janet Reno. Stay on the Janet.
Yeah, right.
All right. So Garth, what's number 3?
Anita Hill.
Whoa,
Hey, she's a babe. Yeah,
All
oh,
right.
definitely.
Okay, Anita.
Hey, Wayne. You want some red rope licorice?
No, thanks though, Garth.
Okay.
Red rope licorice, yeah, okay. Garth, here, have a drink. Drink some. Okay, so next on our list of all-time political babes would be number 2. Number 2 is Jennifer Flowers. Whoa!
Hey, Jennifer Flowers.
So wing. Excellent. Okay. So now the number 1 all-time political babe. Let's go to the road cam. Road cam.
It's a Merchmobile. It's that big pointy thing, man.
Oh, wow. Giant stick in the ground.
Look at that.
So here's the White House.
Okay,
Number 1 all-time political babe, Hillary Clinton.
Excellent.
All right,
First lady.
excellent.
First
Hey,
lady, babe.
all right.
We salute you.
So wing.
All right, excellent.
Oh,
Saucy.
Saucy.
Reminds me of my mom. Makes me feel funny inside.
Whoa. Chill, Garth. Chill. Whoa. Okay, so we got to cut the show short tonight because we've got backstage passes. Woo! Aerosmith! All right, so we'll catch you all next week.
Okay.
Join us.
Yeah.
All right. Wayne's World! Party time! Excellent! All right. Excellent show.
Excellent.
All right.